Are you tired of digging through thousands of emails to find one? Learn how to pinpoint any message in seconds with Yahoo Mail's Advanced Search. I'll show you exactly how to access Advanced Search. Enter specific criteria like sender or date range, and refine results until you find what you need. Now, I've spent a lot of time testing this feature out, and I can tell you, once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So, let's start by signing into your Yahoo Mail account. Go ahead and log in like you normally would. Once you're in, look at the very top of the page. You'll see the Search Mail bar. It's usually right in the middle, hard to miss. Go ahead and click inside that search bar. This is where the magic begins. Now this is the key part. After you click the search bar, you need to look for the Advanced Search option. Sometimes it shows up as a small link right below the bar, and other times you'll see a filter icon next to the search area. It might look like a little slider or a magnifying glass with lines. Click that. This opens up the full suite of search options, and this is what will save you all that scrolling time. Alright, so here's where we get into the good stuff. You're going to see a form with several fields. Let's start with the sender. Enter the person's name or their full email address. Maybe you're looking for that email from your accountant from last tax season, or a message from a friend. Type their name in here. Next, you can enter a recipient. This is helpful if you know you were CC'd on an email but weren't the main recipient. Just type their email in that field. Now let's talk about subject lines. If you remember any words from the subject of the email, type them here. Maybe it was something about a project deadline or a reservation confirmation. That keyword alone can dramatically narrow things down. You even have a field for keywords in the email content itself. So if you remember a specific phrase from the body of the message, like your order number or a project name, put that in there. This is incredibly powerful. Now time is your friend here. Set a date range. You can choose a specific start and end date. If you know that email came sometime last March, set the range from March 1st to March 31st. This alone will usually cut your results down from hundreds to just a handful. You can also tell Yahoo to search within a specific folder. If you know the email was filed away in your sent folder or maybe your archive, select that location right here. And if you're hunting for an email with an attachment like a PDF or a photo, check the box that says Has Attachments. That's a real time saver. Once you've filled in what you know, click the search button. Yahoo will do its thing, and this might take a moment to process depending on how many emails you have. But don't worry, it's working. When the results come up, take a look. You should see a much more manageable list. If the list is still too long, that's okay. Go back up and add another filter. Maybe you need to tighten the date range, or you need to add a more specific subject keyword. Refining is just a matter of layering on more criteria. And here's the really important part. In my experience, single filters rarely do the trick. The real power comes from combining them. So don't be shy about using 3 or 4 at once. Once you spot the email you need, just click on it to open it and read the contents. Easy. And when you're all done, you want to clear those filters so you're back to your normal inbox view. Just look for the clear or reset option, usually near the top of the search results or back in the advanced search window. Click that and you're back to normal. So next time you're digging through that massive inbox, remember this walkthrough. You've got the tools now to find anything in seconds. Thanks for watching.